Hi gang, scale.It here with a bit of an unboxing of my new scales. Quick video, just want to show you guys these scales I picked up from Banggood. Yeah, link down below of course. Check out my videos, plenty of drones and quads and toothpicks and whoops and all sorts of stuff. And if I've offended anybody in mentioning Banggood too much, I do apologise, but they do supply me with some awesome products, and in return I promote their company. So again, if I have offended anyone by mentioning banggood.com, well, I do apologise. However, that's where these things come from, so I'm forever grateful, as I'm sure some of you guys out there, if you look at their website for the first time, will realise, wow, should have got onto them earlier. Check out these new scales. So these are called the Superior Mini Digital Platform Scale, in a nice little carry box here. Okay, box weighing in at about 9 centimeters by about 12 centimeters. So on the front we have features of backlight display, auto off after 60 seconds, large platform, 2 clear bowls and 2 AAAs, which are included. 2 AAAs. Instruction booklet. Scales. Plastic cup covered by some plastic. Second bowl. And scales covered by some plastic wrap. Oh, look, it says hello. Why, hello. How are you?
So, it looks like it's zeroed itself.
So, it comes with your on-off button here on the left here. It says hello. You basically just leave it, and once it shows the 0, you're ready to roll. There's no calibrating required. You only calibrate it if it is showing an incorrect weight. Then you have your mode button here on the left. This is for your weighing units conversion. You just toggle through the various units. So we'll stick it down here on ounces or grams. There we go, stick it on grams. This is your pieces measurement. This one here, this actually allows you to weigh in total multiple pieces. So I've mainly got these to weigh in some batteries and some drones and some little whoops, toothpicks and what have you. So yeah, this is the Sailfly X, weighing in at 38.6 grams without a battery. Freestyle X, weighing in at 51.6 grams. Oh, I've got some 3S batteries here. They weigh in at 25.3 grams. A single 450 milliamp 1S weighing in at awesome 12.5 grams. So that's cool. Some scales for you. Again, thanks for dropping by. Drop me a comment. Again, check the description for some goodies, etc. I've got a giveaway coming up soon, so give that bell a smash so you're notified when that comes along. And I'll see you next video. scale.It. Cool scales. See you in the sky.